Hey guys, Toyo here. Today I'm in HK doing my Popmart hunt, including going to the Labubu The Monsters Exhibition with the new hair series, checking out the new Dimoo and Pixar collection, including opening some as well, simply because it's got my favorite Toy Story, and also Labubu's, SpongeBob Fish People, and more. Let's go! Right from the get-go, we have the new Labubu collection with the hair series. I am not sure about the series because personally I don't really feel that connection, although it is pretty unique and there are a lot of variations of different products. Normal figures, bottles, keychains, the usuals, but what really caught my eyeballs were the Demon Slayer stuff. You know, I love my Demon Slayer stuff, and the new kind of Lego-y blind boxes really caught my attention, especially with the Shinobu one as well as Nesco. At the airport shop they have the new Crybaby series as well, Sea Creature series, and the big plush. Oh my gosh, it's so puffy and the fabric is so nice and the faces are adorable. But you know, Toyo being Toyo, I collect too much IPs. I have way too much stuff, including gachapons and Popmart, of course. That's why I'm making this video. So I'm getting more selective in terms of what I choose to be in my collection because everything needs space. And I'm sure a lot of you guys collect stuff as well, otherwise you won't be watching this video. You're just like me. You like a lot of different IPs. You like to buy here and there. And because they were promoting the new Labubu hair series, they have an exhibition here. A lot of the smaller figure forms that you've just seen at the shop gets enlarged. It was a perfect opportunity for photo and videos. That's why I'm showing you guys as usual. I love going to these exhibitions. Now this gigantic Labubu salon has other characters from the Monster series, which you'll be seeing in a second, but there are just so many Labubus with different hairs, different wigs, shall I say, and it's so adorable. Inside you find some subtle references to the other series, for example the World Cup series. And for the interactive items, there isn't that much within this space, other than a few panels that you can flip around, as you can see what I've done here, as well as some mirrors and a few seats to take pictures with your favorite characters from the Monster series. Overall, I really like the theme because it is retro. It carries a lot of the Monster series elements, having the different characters dressed up as the different hairdressers, and Labubu's having different wigs is just incredibly cute overall. Which is your favorite display? Comment down below and let me know. They're all so cute. Also within the same shopping mall, we saw the Dimoo and Pixar collaboration collection. This collection is absolutely amazing because there is Toy Story, which is one of my favorite franchises in the Pixar universe. Depending on the figure lineup, there are also Ratatouille, Turning Red, Monsters Inc., Coco, so plenty of Pixar movie references in this collection. For me personally, you know I love my Toy Story stuff. Secondly, I do love my keychains, plush keychains to be specific, so I grabbed a few of these in the hopes of getting Woody, if not just Lotso, or if I'm very lucky I get Buzz Lightyear. Beyond figures you get timer magnets, other card holders, and the vibe is just right because it's Toy Story season. Toy Story 5 has been out and I've got another video upcoming for that as well, so stay tuned. Without further ado, let's open some of these plush keychain Pixar Dimoo collection. The first one, the bag felt a bit weird. It felt like there's another bag within the bag, so yeah, that turned out to be right, and that bag was specifically designed to be like that. Simply because it is Lotso, that means it is smelling good. I think they added this candy scent within the fur, and the smell was so damn strong as soon as I opened that in a plastic bag. Beyond the strong smell, I absolutely love the fur. It is so soft. I think it is a tiny bit furry even for Lotso, but the brows and eyes is just so adorable above Dimoo's face. Overall, I really like the buttons, the face, and hands. The tiny hands are just so cute for this keychain. That burgundy purple just grabs your attention from miles away. As per usual Popmart, these all come with individual cards as well. Also, did I mention the bags are adorable because it's got the Dimoo Woody version on every single bag. That means I'm gonna keep them all, yay, because I love Woody, I love Buzz Lightyear, I love Alien. For this specific one, I can't believe it, I actually got Woody, thank God, because I really really did spend time there to pick. And this Dimoo Woody looks like he's just been at the hospital. The details for the hats look amazing with the printing as well as the side stitching. And after removing all the plastic protections, boy, this piece has to be one of my favorite plush keychains ever at Popmart. All the individual pieces are crafted and printed really well. The vest in the black and white, the shirt and the yellow and red lines, the belt buckle, the buttons on the shirt and the sheriff star, everything. Not to forget the thing Andy or Bonnie can pull on the back of Woody. That has Woody say, "There's a snake in my boot." Eyes are crafted well, similar to the Lotso one, and the hands as well. Zero complaints, only compliment for this specific figure. It is the best. As you'd expect, you'll find the Andy writing at the bottom of the boot as well. And also, I have also pulled the Ratatouille one, which I didn't want to open. I would just give that one away. Also, on a separate note, I did buy the Buzz Lightyear version. I know, but I just want to complete it because I've got Lotso and Woody already. For the head, soft fabric as usual, and with the little face as well, the plastic face. I do like it for this specific series. I did not buy any Dimoos in the past, so this is my first. And also with the torso, the Buzz Lightyear hard plastic outfit just looks so good with all the buttons at the front. Wings at the back complemented with the boots as well. Everything just looks so immaculate, and they also bothered adding the fabrics to the inner layer below the hard plastic. That is attention to detail. I love this piece as well. Hopefully you're enjoying this video so far. Kindly like the like button and sub to my channel for more. I always open Popmart stuff as well as other stuff like Pokemon, Nintendo, Tamagotchi, Gachapons, etc. So check out my other videos on my channel as well. Thank you so much. If you're not aware, Popmart has increased their productions for a lot of their IPs. For example, Labubu's Twinkle Twinkle, and really pumped up the productions. So a lot of the evergreen stuff are readily available. Like some of the prior times where you have to really battle it out, like some people get into fights over Labubus. Although I really like the Toy Story 5 set, but you know me, I only like pretty much Woody, Buzz Lightyear as well as Alien. The odds are pretty low, so I went for the Sanrio Labubu collaboration. I really want that pom-pom. If you know in my previous videos, I don't know why Kuromi always follows me, including this Kuromi Labubu. It looks pretty, it's nice, I love great details, but I really want that pom-pom. But there you go, the Kuromi curse still lingers upon Toyo. Also, we found a lot of World Cup Labubus, as well as at the convenience stores they were selling the Labubu Coca-Cola cans. Few different variations. I love the sketch illustration motifs, super cute. And also we got the SpongeBob series 2, the random fish people, that is. I love the randomness. This time everybody's working upon different occupations. SpongeBob fish people series 2, we got the whole box last time. This time I only want this one, aka this one, and this one because the faces are hilarious. Maybe the secret as well. Let's go. Okay, I'm not going to look at the card. Oh no, it's not the mascot. It's not the mascot. Hey, 3, 2, 1. What? The range is super fun. I love the puffy hat, and it's just so wide, and also the face is just hilarious with the lips. I love that big shell he's holding. It's so puffy and purple. The outfit overall just looks really nice. And for the second box, I managed to get the mascot. Yes, because it was so heavy. It is a lot heavier than like a lot of the other ones. If you're enjoying this video so far, please remember to subscribe because I've got another one coming up for Singapore Popmart Bakery. So stay tuned for more, and you can check out my other videos on my channel as well. Thank you.